Anyway, hello, greetings from St. Paul, Minnesota, in the United States, the northern wastes of the United States. It's cold here. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. We have not reached the pinnacle of deathly cold here yet, but still another couple months or month left until we get to that. Anyway, I'm in the United States. I'm dealing with my foot. I have something called Charcot's foot. It happens to diabetics or former alcoholics or people with neuropathy in their feet. So take good care of your feet. It's brought on by nerve damage. I was misdiagnosed 5 times in Vietnam and by 5 different hospitals. The healthcare system in Vietnam is not really adequate for rare conditions like this. So I had to come back and deal with it in the American healthcare system, and it's free because I'm on state medical, whatever, what do you want to call it? Obamacare, Minnesota Care. It's free if you don't make a certain amount of money. Anyway, so that's why I'm here. I'll be here for a few months working, trying to save money to come back to Vietnam and teach again. But I got to do what I got to do. That's why I came back. So here I am. Let's make the best of it. Anyway, we're going to this Thai restaurant. We're going to check it out. Looks pretty good. It's got good reviews. It looks cheap. It's down here a ways. Cool thing about living in this neighborhood, it's a very diverse Asian neighborhood, a very diverse Asian community. There's a Hmong community here, which is probably the largest in the United States. If you're not familiar, the Hmong people are from Laos, Cambodia, parts of Vietnam, northern Vietnam. But yeah, there's also a vibrant Vietnamese and Thai community here. So I'm going to sample one of the great restaurants that this neighborhood has to offer. So let's go to this Thai restaurant. I'll talk to you when I get there. All right, cheers. These people got all their Christmas decorations up, man. Those are crazy, man. Those big balloons. Look at that. Santa Claus. We got some elves. We got some reindeer. We got a gingerbread man. We got what is that guy? Is he like a guava? I don't know what that yellow guy is, but whatever. Pretty cool. Merry Christmas. By the way, I'd just like to add that Vietnam, if you work in the healthcare industry in Vietnam, you should really have the hospital you work at invest in these boots, because people over there need them and they work. Anyway, I think this place is in this building here. That's where we're going. Let's go. Here's where we're going. Oh, so there's a little Asian market there, and here's the Thai place I'm eating at. Looks pretty good. They got a very diverse menu. Then you go in here and you eat. They told me table 4. Hot Grainz Thai street food. Right on. Let's get some silverware over here. What do we got here? Silverware. Let's get ourselves maybe a fork. And that's really it. You do not use chopsticks with Thai food unless you're eating noodles. It's the only time. What else we need? Salt, pepper? I don't think we need any dishes. Now we're good. So here we have, in Vietnam, this would be called Cam Ga Hai Nam. It's also known as Hainanese chicken rice, but in Thailand we call this Khao Man Gai, which is basically steamed chicken with rice infused with the chicken broth, cucumbers, a spicy sambal, and then I have like some of the broth over here too as well. Let's dig in. Alright, so let's begin. Right behind the phone here, my little phone camera. There's a little spice tray or some dried chili. Put a little bit of chili in there, as Mark Weens would say. I tasted the rice just a little bit before it began here. Let's try out. Go right in. Some of this chicken and rice. Let's see. This is just like stuff I've had in Bangkok. This is really well executed. This is really good. The rice is perfectly cooked. The chicken, I forgot how common guys made. I don't know if the chicken's steamed or poached, but fantastic. Spices. Some ball in there. A little bit of sweetness. And mix it up a little bit. Everything's mixed up. Also some of the broth. Make it a little soupy. Thank you. Also got some fresh spring rolls with peanuts and sauce. Oh, I got the hiccups from that spice already. Let's try it out. Spring roll. So fresh. The vegetables crunch very well. Taste the cucumber, the lettuce, the noodles. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. The sauce is sweet. This place, highly recommend. Hot Grainz, Thai street food. It's in St. Paul off University. I'll throw the address down in the comments and stuff, but so far so good. Highly recommend. Come check it out. Done bit. Have a good day.